Hi lovely people, welcome back to your personal finance and habit building channel in Vipassist. As you all know, we all 9 to 5 people have only one goal common, and that is our end goal, and which we have to achieve before we hit our retirement. You guessed it right, that is financial freedom. You know, today you are such in a right place where I will be discussing the right use of money in 2024, where your money will be working behalf of you and you can see an acceleration growth of your financial career while you will reach your end goal before the deadline. You know, the meaning of financial freedom is very different for each one of us, because if different people having different goals, they have different aspiration and they have different priorities regarding money. But I have full confidence on you that if you stay realistic about your situation, set goals and look to expand your overall income, I have no doubt that you will reach a better financial position undoubtedly. Without wasting any time, let's jump into the key aspect of your financial freedom. Now the point number 1 is seek expert advice. When you really want to improve your finance and you stay honest with yourself and you understand that your financial situation is not so good, you need to visit a financial expert without wasting any time. They can really provide you with some serious solution, from financial investment management to taxation and everything in between. If you are currently in so much of debt, they can really help you with some serious solution for debt repayment and financial planning to navigate through it. You can even reach them out with your specific financial goals with your current financial situation, and they can help you to map out the stages of improvement which you will be implementing for the coming months or years, and you will most definitely reach where you want to be. Number 2, you need to create your own investment portfolio. Investment is not a thing you should take it lightly, because there is a lot to learn about it. In order to invest correctly, make sure your money is safe from scammers. The first thing you need to identify is the primary motive of your investments. That means for some people it will be creating the retirement fund, or you want to replace your primary source of income, or you are trying to make a way of passive income, or you want to make a lump sum money which you will keep as a fixed deposit and you live rest of your life based on the interest earned from it. The most important factor about investment is, first you need to calculate how much money you can afford to lose. Based on that, you can fix your risk reward ratio and also decide how much money you can comfortably invest. A very important step you need to take before you start your investment, first you need to calculate your monthly total expenses. But how do you know in your expenses which are the factors are your needs and which are the factors are your wants? I made a video regarding this before, where I properly explained what kind of expenses should go for your savings, what kind of expenses should be considered as your needs, and what kind of expenses should be seen as proper expenses. The video is mentioned above. Also in the description, I will suggest you to go through that video and you will have a crystal clear understanding. Anyway, after subtracting the monthly expenses, you need to ask this one question to yourself. If I lose my complete investment amount, how strong will be the psychological impact on me? Will it create any financial scarcity in future? Please discuss with your financial advisor if you're planning to invest a large sum amount from your income into investments. Once the amount is decided, you can invest your money in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, even in small businesses. There are many options available for you. I will highly recommend to you that you invest a significant amount of time learning investment first before you put your hard-earned money into the market. And as I said before, I am going to say it again, please be very careful about any kind of scams and make sure you don't become a victim of it. After a certain period of time, when you have sufficient experiences, then you will finally start to see results, and you can easily make a passive source of income through investment. And who knows, if you are doing so good, then you can make investment as your primary source of income, and your financial freedom will arrive much sooner than you expected. Number 3 is online teaching. Let's say you have a passion for a particular subject. Let's say you are good in playing a particular instrument, or you are good in speaking a foreign language which is in high demand. What you can do, that you can teach people online and make good money out of it. There are many websites available online where you can sign up, and all they will do is to help you to find or introduce the correct kind of students you are looking for. As an example, Udemy, Domestika, etc. This process is fully online, and sometimes you can make even more money by going for one-on-one coaching or even sometime private coaching. Doing couple of hours of teaching in a week, you can see a big difference in your overall income, and it can easily fit with your other commitments. And most importantly, you can take this kind of work only when you have free time available. Number 4, sell things which you don't need. Let's say you don't have time available out of your current commitments. Then you can make some extra cash by selling the stuff which are no longer needed for household usage. This process will not only declutter your house but also your mind. In this way, your mind will become very organized. At the same time, the overall energy of your house will become even more positive. Usually, this kind of stuffs are old clothes, old cutleries, kids' toys, old furniture, appliances, gadgets, etc. Sometimes old pieces having antique values, and if you have the eyes to recognize them, you can sell them in much higher price in eBay. Just remember this simple rule: it's always worth to post for sale. You know, there is a very famous saying, one person's trash is another person's treasure, because you never know what people are looking for. Continuing this kind of healthy financial habit will boost your financial state, and very soon you will start to see the benefits out of it. It really doesn't matter, that every day you're putting 1 hour or weekly basis you're putting 4 hours, until and unless you're putting time for financial education, you will start to feel more control over your money and therefore your future. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For you, it's just pressing a button. For me, it means the world. To be honest, it takes a lot of hard work and time out of me to make videos every day. So I will be really grateful, my friend, if you like and share the video with others, only when you find it useful and informative. Until then, see ya!